United States.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
The First Amendment is one of our most cherished amendments because it guarantees 5 vital freedoms: freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, freedom to assemble, and the freedom to petition government for a redress of our grievances, which means you can fight City Hall, though you may not win. What all these freedoms guarantee is the right to speak your mind, a liberty as fundamental as it is revolutionary. For most of history, kings and queens punished speech they didn't like. Our challenge as a republic is protecting speech we don't like. But sure enough, only a few years after guaranteeing free speech in the Constitution, the federal government made it a crime. Congress passed a law that punished criticism of the president. President John Adams signed it, and Americans, including journalists, went to prison for violating it. During World War I, Congress did it again, forbidding speech about the government that was disloyal, profane, scurrilous, or abusive, including criticizing the draft. Thankfully, both laws were short-lived, but not the threat to free speech. That's still with us. The First Amendment lists our fundamental rights, but it doesn't guarantee them. Only we the people can do that.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Correct answers include speech, religion, assembly, press, petition the government.